Some people believe focaccia originated in Italy, and others believe that it got its start in ancient Greece. And I don't have the answer. But today we're going Greek with a recipe from makegood.ca. These scrumptious, personal-sized Greek focaccia loaves are topped with veggies and feta cheese. This dough uses simple ingredients: flour, Fleischmann's quick rise yeast, salt, water, and oil. It's a kick of flavor from basil and oregano. I actually love kneading dough by hand. I find it super meditative, and the technique is simple. Fold, push, quarter turn, and repeat. Follow your recipe's kneading time instructions, but you'll know that your dough has been kneaded enough when you poke it and it springs back. After resting your dough, divide it into 8 portions, form them into rounds, and add your toppings. Let them rise for an hour, and then bake. Take a look at these beauties. Greek focaccia recipe by Fleischmann's. Simple, fun to make, and absolutely delicious. So what are you waiting for?